Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Only very few students, only 2, 3 students entered. It's 10:40.
Ma'am, only two
Keep your
students.
cameras on.
10:41.
Keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, my camera.
I know यश के अलावा किसी का कैमरा ऑन नहीं है. Only यश camera is on. That's it. Quickly switch on your cameras. Shaurya Patel, Soham, and Atulya Sharma. Okay, let me join in. Utkarsh, Hamza, बेटा मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी विदाउट एनी वार्निंग.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'll just remove you. Without any warning, I'll remove you.
Ma'am, I can go for take my reasoning book.
हाँ बेटा.
Can I go for take my reasoning book?
Go.
It is not reasoning.
This is Vedic maths period.
maths
This is Vedic maths period.
Ma'am, but you take questions from reasoning also. One.
I hope everyone can read this. What is written on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I read it on WhatsApp.
हाँ, it's very good. Only Yash and Soham and Bhakti, they're continuously switching their cameras on. And Lakshita and Lavanya also. Where is Lakshita or Lavanya? Any one of them is here and one of them is not here. Why so?
Ma'am, Lavanya is not here.
Lavanya is not here, so you are Lakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, who is the class teacher?
Kamini, ma'am.
Okay, Kamini. All right. Okay, let me start. Some of the okay. Have I told you the trick last time? You remember what trick I told you? Have you tried that yourself? Okay, now I'm going to take a test of yours. This is a quick test, and within that time, you have to reply me. Okay. You will type in chat box. Nobody is able to see except me. Rishabh, open your camera, biche. Only everyone you will type in the chat box. Nobody will use anything, right? Do not answer here. Open, do not. Yes, open. Switch off your mic. Yes, switch off your mic. Everyone will type in the chat box whatever the question I'll give you, and I'll give you some time. Within that limit of time, you have to answer. And let me see. I'll write the name. The one who will give me the first correct answer, I'll write his name here. Okay, and no cameras off. Cameras off means I'm not listening to you. I'm not hearing. Okay, cameras should be on. No cameras off. Okay, so chalo, let's start. Okay, I'm giving you one question. 9.
Ma'am, we have to write this in a notebook.
Beta, obviously I told you where you have to do, but this is your test going on. Shivam is in your class, piche. Shivam? Okay. Chalo. 991 multiplied by 996. Start doing this. Let me see who gave me this answer first. Can give me this answer. Let me check. First correct answer. Not first answer. I want the first correct answer. I'll write their names on the board here. All right. What I've given you? 948.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope
Ma'am,
you will...
it is not connecting. So many times I've tried.
Okay, beta. But open your camera. Keep your camera open, okay? Atulya?
Ma'am,
Just solve it
and
and send it. So Atulya, quickly solve it and send it me on the chat box.
ma'am, and I also have Geo Fiber. Then why it is not
Sometimes it
connecting?
happens. Sometimes these fibers and these Wi-Fi cables also does not work fine. Sometimes it happens. Okay, I got one answer. No, wrong, Bhakti. कुछ भूल गई. One mistake you have made. The one those were sitting Hamza, Shivam and Utkarsh. इनको तो मैं देखने वाली नहीं हूँ. Very good, Yash. Very good. First is Yash. Let me see how many students give me the first answers today. ठीक है, मैं ये okay. Let me make a rule over here. I will write down the names every day. See here. In Vedic maths or in reasoning, I'll make a list. I will have a list, those who are present over here, and I will see how many of you will come first, how many of you will come second each day. ठीक है? According to that. For example, आज कौन अभी मैं बताती हूँ कैसे. Yash Tikiani first. Let me write her name.
So Agarwal send it answer.
I will see myself. No need to tell me, beta. I can see your name also. Yash Tikiani first. First. Okay, Yash Tikiani first. One time. He's first. I'll not rub those names. I'll see in the end who is getting all the first answers or second answers. Okay, let me check. First was Yash. Second correct answer was given by Hamza. Second correct answer was given by Hamza. Please do not use the calculators. That means you are cheating yourself. Hamza, very good.
Ma'am, not use calculator.
Third is Bhakti. Third one is Bhakti here. Okay, first, second, third I will write here. First, second, third I will write here, but I can tell you whose answers are correct. Shaurya Patel, wrong answer, beta. Soham, correct. Hamza का मैं name rub कर दे रही हूँ. Because Hamza is not switching his camera on, so Hamza's name I have cut. So second becomes Bhakti. And the third one is Shaurya.
Ma'am, I have switched.
नहीं हमजा बंद करके बैठो कैमरा बंद कर लो हमजा. Switch off your camera. ठीक है? Happy now? Don't try to mess up with me. I'm telling you. एक बार बोलो तो सुन लिया करो, okay? Hamza second. Okay, third one is Soham. What about others? Shivam, Utkarsh and Ansh, I will not speak to them since the camera is not on. Shaurya Patel, try again. Try again. You forgot what is the rule. Soham ने भेज दिया मुझको आंसर, भक्ति ने भेज दिया, शिवम ने नहीं भेजा, यश ने भेज दिया, लक्षिता, अतुल्य, I will not. अच्छा अतुल्य, okay. अतुल्य ने नहीं सेंड किया. जल्दी से quickly send the answer to me. I'm going to teach you some more tricks after this. Quickly tell me the answers. Fourth one is Soham. Chalo, I'm writing Soham's name also. Let's make points. ठीक है, फर्स्ट कौन आया है? यश आया ना फर्स्ट. सो यश को देते हैं हम 100 points. Okay, who is second? Hamza is second. So second one will get 80 points. Bhakti, okay, 10, 8 कर लेते हैं. It will be easy to calculate. 10 points, 8 points, Bhakti 6, Soham 4. Okay, first 4 will get the 100 points. ठीक है, first one's 10, second one 8, -2 like that we'll get the points. Be quick, those who have not sent me the answers. क्या हुआ तुल्ले, भूल गए कैसे करते थे? हाँ, you forgot how to do this.
Ma'am, I know alag method.
You know alag method? Which method you know? Chala, tell us which method you know.
Ma'am, that sir has told.
Tell me which method sir has told you.
Ma'am, cross method. That.
Cross method, like this one. First you will multiply like this one. 948 multiply by 996 like this. First you will multiply this. Then you will multiply this. Then you will multiply this. This one. This cross method you know. हाँ अतुल्य, अतुल्य क्या हो गया बेटा? This crossing method, this one and this one. This method you know Atulya.
Ma'am, what is this method?
This is also one method I will teach you afterwards. This is applicable everywhere, but it is quite longer one. This is the easiest one. But it is applicable only to the nearest thousands one. Nearest वाले के apply हो सकता है ये, सब में apply नहीं हो सकता. Lakshita, no beta, wrong. Okay, now let's see. Huh? Nearest hundreds may also you can see. That is also correct. But it is possible only in the nearest numbers. It is possible only in the nearest numbers, not in more than that. Okay. Now let me tell you the answer here. Those who are not able to
Ma'am, I can tell the answer.
Beta, you have to explain the answer. Can you explain the answer to the whole class? Yes.
Like.
Explain the whole answer. Not answer, you have to explain the whole answer. Tell me. You keep speaking, I will write down. Tell me.
Ma'am, I can't understand that you are saying.
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ बेटा, आप बताते जाओ, मैं लिखती जाऊंगी यहाँ पर. ठीक है? Explain कर सकते हो, मुझे आंसर नहीं चाहिए. I want the explanation. Yes, Shaurya Patel, now you are correct. But you will not get points for that now. Yes, see here. Chalo, let me speak. Chalo, look here. How much is, okay, nearest 1000 में करते हैं इसको. How much is 948 less than 100? How much is 948 less than 1000? Sorry, 948 less than 1000? Tell me.
52.
Yes, 52. How much is 996 less than 1000?
4.
4. Very good.
4.
Here you have to multiply and this side you have to add. So what you will do, 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20. 208 is coming in the end. Here you have to add 8 6 14. 1 carry, 9 1 10 4 14. 14 का 1 को carry नहीं करना है, 9 को you copy as it is. 944208. This is the answer. 94420. This is the answer. All right. Chalo, let's start the next question. Now, this is the second question for you.
Ma'am, in last we have to not carry 1 of 14.
नहीं बेटा, लास्ट वाले में कैरी नहीं करते हैं, लास्ट वाले को जो होता है वो कॉपी कर देते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलो. Let me give you one more question. 1024 multiply by 1000. Type the answer in the chat box. I will see who is coming first and who is coming second. Let me see. Keep your cameras on. तो cameras off वालों को तो मैं अप्लाई नहीं करूंगी. क्या पता कैलकुलेटर से कर रहे हो, मुझे क्या पता है ना. कैमरा ऑफ इसलिए भी तो हो जाता है, कैलकुलेटर से कर लेते हैं. Bhakti little bit wrong, but first is Soham. Soham के plus 10 I have written here. First is Soham. Bhakti a little bit wrong. You was missing that step every time. Yes, second is Hamza. Hamza calculator से किया है? Plus 8 to Hamza. Okay. Let me check. Hamza के बाद किसने send किया है? Hamza के बाद it is Shaurya Patel a little bit wrong. Shivam got the third position now. Shivam की 6 है.
मैम
Shivam 6. Yes beta. Atulya wrong.
मैम I can't
Bhakti.
Ma'am, I can't
got the
understand
fourth
this
one.
one.
Beta, I will explain you if you are not able to understand. Let it be, okay? Yes.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Now your answer is correct, Yash. But you got no position. First is here Soham. Second is Hamza. Third is Shivam. Fourth is Bhakti. Yes, you got Nana here, but your answer is correct now. Only top 4 students I'm taking. I'm taking who is giving me top 4 answers. Chalo, let's start. Okay, how much is 24 less than this number? How much is 24 less? How much is 1024 less than 1000? 1000. 24 more than 1000. Sorry, not less than. There it will be 5. 25 4 5s are 120. All right. Here it will be, you will add it 4 5 9 2 0 1. 1 ka you will write 1 only. Bhakti, this is the mistake you are making every time. Every time you are making this mistake. हाँ
Ma'am, but
बेटा.
I have given this answer only. You have sent it is.
तो बेटा आपने ब्रेक कर करके दिया है ना. 1029 भेजा है आपने बस. अतुल्य देखो, चेक करो आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में, चेक करो आपने क्या सेंड किया मुझको. आपने 1029 ही सेंड किया है. फिर अब आपने 1019 सेंड किया. You have not typed the whole answer.
Ma'am, we have to send 120 also.
Obviously बेटा, this is the answer. 1029 इसका multiply 1029 थोड़ी ना होगा. इसका multiply will be 1029 120. This whole complete one. This one.
Ma'am, in between what we will add is equals to what?
हाँ,
What we will add in between.
Where?
Ma'am, in 1029 and 120, ma'am, what we will add in between?
No, nothing to add. Nothing to add. Beta, nothing to add. This becomes the whole one number. These are just tricks. These are just Vedic maths. This is not compulsory. You have to multiply or add. This becomes the whole answer. 1029120. अभी आप कैलकुलेटर से देखोगे ना, 1024 को मल्टीप्लाई करके आप पूरा कैलकुलेट भी करके देखोगे, इसका आंसर यही आएगा. 1029120. Nothing there in between. It will be directly like this. All right. Chalo, now one more question. Let's see who will get it first. 97 multiplied by 93. Okay, first is Yash. नहीं for Yash से पहले भी बहुत सारे. Sorry, not first Yash. First is Bhakti. Okay, Bhakti 2 plus 10. Ansh is second. 8. After Ansh, who is the third one? Yash. Yash is third. Yash will get 6. And let me see who is the fourth. Correct answer. Hamza. Hamza wrong. No, Hamza wrong. Hamza wrong.
Also send it.
Soham wrong. Shaurya Patel third.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
Shaurya Patel will get how much? 4. Shaurya Patel 4.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
Beta, those who have signed it, I'm checking, telling your names also. By names only I'm saying. Shaurya Patel, Soham wrong. Shivam wrong. Atulya wrong. Rest of your answers are wrong. Hamza wrong. Okay, first here is Bhakti. Second here is, who is the second? Ansh is second. Third is Yash. And fourth is Shaurya.
Ma'am, please explain.
I will explain, beta. Let others also answer. Okay, Lavanya, correct. I will explain it, but let others answer first. Try to करने दो सबको. 2 minutes to try करने दो. Okay, how much is now? Okay, let me explain now. Since we get the top 4 numbers, now I'm going to explain. Yes, Lakshita, correct. Now Shivam, your answer is correct. See, beta, it is nearest to hundreds. We will see nearest to 100. 97 is nearest to 100. 97 is minus 3. 100 से कितना पास है? 3. 93 is how much closer to 100? 7. Okay. 7 3s are 21. When you multiply here, 7 3s are 21. This side you have to add. 7 plus 3, 10. And do not carry it. It will be 9021. Acha, somebody use 00 here. Beta, it is only a 2-digit number. So there should be only 2 digits. So answer is 9021 simply.
Ma'am, I have used 00.
Yes, this is the wrong. They be a little bit vigilant here. 2 digits, 2 zeros means 2 digits. Chalo, last one. After this, I'll start the next trick to you. I'll teach you the next trick after this question. And let's see who comes first, second, and third after this. Okay, 100, no, 900, 87, 97, 900. 18, 15, 13, chalo, multiply this. This cross multiply also I will teach you, but not now. Okay, first one is Yash. First is Yash. Second is Shivam. Second is Shivam. Bhakti, little bit wrong. Hamza, correct. Hamza, third. Hamza is third.
Ma'am, Soham also sent it.
No, I'm wrong. A little bit wrong.
Ma'am, Yash has not opened his camera. I think he is seeing from calculator.
Yash,
ma'am,
hi Yash.
Yash is doing very
Abhi main Yash
fast.
ko, Yash, show me where you have done this work. Where you have done this
Ma'am,
work.
Yash
Show
is
me.
doing very fast.
Where is the rough work?
Ma'am, Soham
Ma'am,
has sent it.
Ma'am, I have sent it my answer.
Batulye wrong hai beta. Soham wrong.
Ma'am, Yash is not showing. I think he is doing.
Hamza, I will decide, beta. I will see to him. I will see. Lavanya wrong, beta. A little bit wrong, Lavanya. Soham a little bit wrong. Yash, where is your camera? Bhakti correct now. Bhakti is now third. No, third was Hamza. Bhakti now fourth. भक्ति जल्दी जल्दी में गलत कर देती हूँ, है ना? In a hurry. No, Lakshita. A little bit wrong, Lakshita. A little bit. Shivam, you know this trick? Huh, Shivam? You know this trick?
Ma'am, I have done normal.
You have done normally. Oh my God. ये trick नहीं पता है Shivam? You were not present in the previous class?
Ma'am, Yash is
No,
not
ma'am.
showing.
Beta, it is very easy trick. You know that within seconds you can get the answer. Abhi I'll explain you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Abhi I will explain you now. So try.
How many positions are filled?
How many?
Positions are filled.
How many are filled? What you are saying? Speak again.
How many positions are filled?
All positions are filled. Beta, Bhakti was the last one, fourth one. Chalo, let me tell you. Chalo. The mistake which you people are making here. How much is 987? Acha, Shivam, if you don't know the trick, you can look here. Shivam, look here. It is nearest to 1000. Both the numbers are nearest to 1000. ठीक है? अब both the number, if they are nearest to 1000, how much is 987 less than 1000? 30. 30. How much is 996 less than 1000?
4.
How much is 996 less than 1000?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
4.
Okay. So this side you have to do multiply and this side you have to do adding, except this 9. जो same वाला number है उसे नहीं करना है. 13 fours are 52, you know very well. 13 fours are 52. Okay. But in 1000 there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So write 1, 2. There are 2 digits only. So you will write 1 0 yourself. Why 0 yourself? Because there are 3 zeros and there should be 3 digits. अगर 3 already होते तो नहीं put कर दे. अब नहीं है तो put करेंगे. Now 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry. 9 9 18. Okay, 9 will be remain as 9 only. 9 का 9 ऐसे ही लिख दिया जाता है. It is neither added nor subtracted. 9 का 9 ऐसे ही copy कर. So answer will be 98305. Got it?
My
Okay, ma'am, I have
letter is
understood.
wrong and it is full wrong.
What is wrong?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I have
not
written wrong question.
in only that's wrong. In 5-2.
Might be you are missing
Ma'am,
this
I have
number.
written wrong question.
Acha, you have written the question only wrong. That's why. And some of you are missing this 0 in between. Okay, let me calculate the total. It's 26. But Yash, अगर मुझे आंसर लिखे हुए नहीं दिखाई दिया ना कहीं पर ही, so I'll give you 0. Minus 10 for Yash. 8, 8, 16 plus 6. Within 1 minute, if Yash is not going to open his camera and send me or show me these works, and Yash is going to get 0 now. I will minus 10 of Yash. Okay, let's see. 8, 8, 16 plus 6, how much? 16 plus 6? 22. Very good. 6, 4, 10, 24. Okay, 14, 8, 4. Who is coming first? Okay, Yash is coming first, but minus 10 for Yash if he is not going to open his camera within 11, 10 हो रहा है. 11 जैसे ही हो गया, Yash will get minus 10. ये 11, 10 हो रहा है. 11 जैसे ही हो गया, I'll give him -10. And if he's not going to open his camera, that means he is cheating. It's 11:11 in my laptop now. So -10 for Yash
Ma'am,
because he's not
he is
-10.
using calculator from mobile.
हाँ तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ. I know very well. If you are using calculators, I'll give you 0. -10. So
Ma'am, in
16 for
10
Yash.
seconds, he given the answer in last time. In last
Yes.
question.
Who?
In 10 seconds.
So
Ma'am,
Yash
yes,
का मैं पूरा
yes.
0 कर दे रही हूँ. He's still not opening his camera. That means 0 for Yash. 0 points for Yash. Okay, let's calculate.
And
Who's coming? 24 now. 24 for Bhakti.
And there are also 4 positions of the winner.
There are 4 positions of the winner. How come? How come?
There is also 4 positions of the winner.
हाँ बेटा. How come?
There are 4 positions.
4 positions कैसे हो गई? देखो 22 first आगे Bhakti. Second is Hamza.
Ma'am, 6 positions, I think so.
Second is Hamza. Third one is Soham and Shivam. Both of them are together. Soham and Shivam. Now who else is left? Akshay sir is also there. Let's give Akshay sir some points. Let us give him some points. Okay, see now next. Who is the next? Bhakti, how much points? Bhakti is first. Hamza is second. Soham and Shivam, how much? Both are in third position. And fourth one is Ansh. Ansh fourth. And the last one is Shaurya. Shaurya is at the fifth one. Yes.
Ma'am, last one is me.
Huh? Last one is you. From the bottom. Huh? Last one is you from the bottom. क्या तुल्ले? Okay, let's clap for each other. Mic on करके. Mic on करके आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है. Mic तो on करो. Yes, very good. चलो. And be vigilant and be careful next time. Okay, learn these tricks. It will be helpful to you somewhere in maths. Okay, these tricks will be very helpful to you. Now Shivam is here. Shivam, try to understand these tricks. This will be helpful to you while solving maths questions.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be the calculation
Okay,
parts. Okay, now I'm going to teach you a new trick. Multiply by 5. This one is the easiest one, and you should know it. It should be on your fingertips. Oh my God! Wait a second, Mr.
Ma'am,
Wait
in
a second.
class, Akshay is also there. I have seen now.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I forgot. $11.20. Next period will start at 11:20, right? All right. ठीक है. See here. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to multiply by 5. If any number is given to you, multiply by 5. And why it happens then also, that also I will tell you what is the reason behind that. See here, if the number is 100 and suppose. Acha, tell me, what is 8 5s are? 8 5s are
40.
40. ठीक है? Okay, 10 5s are
50.
50.
okay, then 12 5s are
60.
60. Absolutely. As you can see, it is like 8 का 40 हो गया, 10 का 50 हो गया, 12 का 60 हो गया. ठीक है? Now I'm going to tell you, suppose if the number is let it be 18 5s, if you have to calculate 18 5s, no need to do the whole multiplication if you don't know the table of 18. If you don't know the table of 18, no need to do the whole multiplication. The shortest trick is, what is the half of 18? What is half of 18?
Ma'am, I know one trick.
What is half of 18?
Ma'am, 8.
8 half होता है ना 18 का? 9. And a half of 18 is 9. Place 1 0. ठीक है? if you don't want to multiply, if you want to multiply 36 5s, 36 का आधा कितना होता है? हाफ कितना होता है 36 का? 30 का हाफ कितना होता है?
15
15 होता है। 30 का हाफ, चलो 30 का 35 से लेके दिखाती हूँ। 30 का आधा कितना होता है? 15 15
15 150
36 का आधा कितना होता है? तो 30 का हाफ 15 हुआ और 6 का आधा 3 हुआ, तो कितना हो गया? 30 का आधा
17
प्लस 3 18 and put 1 0 in the end. ठीक है बेटा, remember some of the numbers which has to be multiplied. That is 36 का आधा 18 होता है. 18 to, अच्छा छोड़ो, how much is 36? How much 2s is 36? ऐसे तो सोच सकते हो, how much 2s is 36? 18 2s is 36. 18 2s is 36. अच्छा 34 5s कितना होगा? चलो टेल.
मैम इट इज 34
34 का आधा कितना?
17 2 जा 34
17 2s are 34 ना, so 17 हो गया इसका आधा.
17
And put 1 0 in the end.
0
170.
All right, understood? Okay, I'll give you so many calculations that you are in a habit of multiplying within seconds. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन दूंगी करने के लिए, ठीक है? Within seconds you will be able to multiply them. Okay, see, suppose the number is, let's choose any number. For even numbers I'm telling you, for even numbers I'm telling you, 54 देखो, multiply by 5. 54 का आधा कितना हुआ? 50 का आधा कितना होता है? 50 का हाफ कितना होता है?
25
25. 50 का हाफ 25 और 4 का आधा 2. तो 25 plus 2 कितना हो गया? 27. So answer will be 207.
270.
मैम नाउ यू गिवन वी विल सॉल्व इट.
ठीक है, बट फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड नहीं करते हैं अभी. I'm teaching you, अभी फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड नहीं करते हैं because some of them are still not grabbing the method. Let me teach you. Tell me any number, even number, but it should be even number.
मैम 60 60
64.
60 60
64. He is saying 64. चलो 64 5s are.
मैम बट आई हैव सेड 60
320.
हो गया. 60 तो very easy हो गया.
320.
Very good.
Ma'am 62
320.
Yes, very good. So
32.
correct. So
320
very good.
मैम आई कैन गिवन
हाँ,
मैम 280
280 multiply by 5. 280
Ma'am 1400. Ma'am 1400.
1400. Very good. 14. See, 28 का हाफ 14 2s are 28 होता है ना, तो 28 का हाफ हो गया 14 और एक 0 ये ऑलरेडी है 140 और एक 0 you have to put yourself. Understood? Odd numbers का I'll tell you in next period whenever, because period is going to be over. अभी मैं odd numbers का भी बता देती हूँ. वैसे easy होता है, let me tell you. I'll explain you when I'll have the next period in your class next Monday. Also, I will explain you, but I'm telling you of odd numbers also. Suppose 15 5s you have to do. तो 15 के आगे देखो कौन सा नंबर आता है? 16. 16 का हाफ कितना हुआ?
8.
8. नहीं सॉरी, इससे पहले वाला नंबर चेक करते हैं. 15 से पहले क्या आता है? 14. 14 का हाफ कितना हुआ?
7
7 लिखना है बेटा, 17 ही लिखना है, बस लास्ट में 5 और लगा दो. ठीक है. सपोज 19 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. 19 से पहले क्या आता है?
18
18.
95
सॉरी 18 का आधा. सॉरी
95
95.
मैम यू हैव रिटन रॉन्ग.
Yes, I have written 18. 18 का half is 9.